Hi, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, marketing and content producer, and we are excited to open day 5 of the Sallie Tomato Co Box. Day 5. Save these items for the project on day 7. The 5th item in this year's box is a shimmery new addition to Sallie Tomato's faux leather fabrics. Let's take a look at these items and go over a few quick tips for sewing with faux leather. Today's item is our new Solar and Moonlight Shimmer faux leather. It has a stunning, subtle shimmer that catches the light just right and adds that little extra pop to your handmade projects. If you are new to our faux leather, it is 100% vegan, super soft, pliable, and sews up beautifully. Let's go over a few quick tips for sewing with faux leather. We recommend not using pins, only clips when assembling your bag projects. Using pins will leave holes in the faux leather. To ensure durability, we recommend using polyester thread over cotton thread. When it comes to your sewing machine needles, a denim needle is preferred, but it also will easily sew up with a universal 80-12 without any issue. You can find a link below that directs you to our blog post about sewing with faux leather. It has all the tips and tricks you need to either start sewing with faux leather or improve your sewing with faux leather. While you can use these faux leather cuts for your other projects, we do encourage you to hold on to them until day 7. I hope you enjoyed today's item. This year's Sallie Tomato Co Box was inspired by one of the colors of the year, Apricot Crush, and we hope that it is inspiring your creativity as well. If you missed out on this year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, make sure you check the link down below to sign up for our newsletter so you don't miss out when the 2025 box launches. Please share and show off your photos on social media. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. I hope you enjoyed today's items and we can't wait to see what you make. Thanks for watching.